Assemble your tools. When you stay safe online, you use our handy browser extension, Avast Online Security and Privacy, to tell websites what you are willing to share. You can opt out of advertisements, prevent websites from tracking your data, keep companies from oversharing about you on social media, and block phishing websites. It will even guide you through a refresh of your privacy settings on social media. Add the special ingredient. With the award-winning and free Avast One, the signature ingredient is privacy. Avast gives you end-to-end privacy for all your communications and monitors the internet for risk to your personal information. You can't make a private internet without it. And don't forget the icing. And the icing on top of your privacy recipe this holiday season is virus protection. Just read the label. Avast One also contains one of the industry's leading virus protections for PC, Mac, iOS, and Android devices. Avast may not be as old as your grandmother's secret recipe, but we have been protecting people on the internet since it was invented over 30 years ago. We believe that people should be free to explore their potential online without feeling exploited. That's why we've made our flagship security and privacy products available to people for free for over 20 years. We have more than 430 million customers around the world and are PC Magazine's and PC World's Editor's Choice for best security and privacy products. If you're looking for some really delicious holiday cookies, try Carla Hall's signature holiday bakes. For both painted shortbread cookies and cranberry ginger Linzer tort cookies, just follow the links listed. So remember, accept only the best cookies this holiday season. Stay safe, stay secure, and have a happy holiday season. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.